Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself Nabila Gosar from MS Chemistry Batch 6. My topic of presentation is Generative AI and LLM and its role in intelligent manufacturing process. Generative AI or generative artificial intelligence. It is actually a subset of artificial intelligence. It refers to artificial intelligence systems that can create new content, new or novel content, such as text, images, music, or even complex designs, including 3D images. It actually consists of algorithms designed to create new data that is similar to a given data set. These algorithms learn the underlying patterns and structures in the input data and generate new, original outputs based on their algorithms' learnings. Now, talk about LLMs. What are LLMs? These are actually large language models that resembles very closely to human language. Large language models are sophisticated AI systems designed to process and generate human like text based on extensive datasets. These models have significantly advanced natural language understanding and generation tasks, facilitating applications such as text summarization, translation, and dialogue systems. For this purpose, LLMs are pre trained. There are four stages in the training of LLMs. Number one is data collection. Number two, model configuration. Number three, model training. Number four, fine tuning. Let's talk about them one by one. Number one was data collection. LLMs are based on a huge amount of data which is being collected from books, websites, e-books, journals, articles, and publications to ensure model learns a wide range of language patterns. Number two is model configuration. Configuration is done as a pre-processing and cleaning process to break text into smaller words or subwords. Models like GPT use transformer architecture that excels at capturing context from data sequences. Number three is model training. After configuration, model is trained. Insights are applied using human and machine associated activities. The model learns to predict next letter or word in a sequence given. Optimization is also done. After the three steps of training, the model undergoes evaluation with an independent test datasets. And depending on the evaluation outcomes, specific tasks may require fine tuning model on smaller task specific datasets to enhance its performance. After all these pre training steps, the LLM is ready to deploy and it works with the applications. Once LLM is trained, it is deployed for various applications like chatbots, language translation, or content generation. All these steps are hopefully understood to all of you. There is a huge variety of generative AI tools using LLMs, but we will discover and discuss about a few of them. Generative AI models using LLMs. There are a number of different models of generative AI that are being used for academic as well as business and industrial automation processes. Some of them are given below. These are ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Bing, Concur, Quillbot, Scribble, Bird, Synthesia, Adobe Firefly, Adobe Podcast, Dream Machine, Dream Fusion, Voicify AI, InVideo AI, Midjourney, Claude is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI and it was specifically designed to generate human like text based on it input that it receives. There are different features of ChatGPT. ChatGPT engages in the human like conversations and you feel like you are talking to a human. It can read text from pictures and extract information. It can generate creative writing, including stories and poems. It can summarize large texts into smaller ones, translate between various languages, and provide coding assistance. The model is adaptable, allowing for fine tuning of specific tasks, and it remembers users' preferences to personalize interactions. Additionally, last but not the least, it is the versatile across different industrial applications. This is the ChatGPT's preface. It has two versions, ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4.0. 3.5 is open to all and 4.0 is limited. And there is also pros and cons of this model. Advantages of ChatGPT are among content creation tools, and their biggest advantage is it is free of cost. It is simple to use by everyone. It quickly processes prompts and generates responses, and it is widely applicable in customer service, education, and in business management. Also, it have some disadvantages. ChatGPT can occasionally produce wrong, incorrect, or outdated information. Its information is limited up to September 2021, and running large language models in business is very, very expensive, and it sometimes cannot understand or empathize with human emotions. Next one is perplexity. Perplexity AI is generally resembles to ChatGPT, but Perplexity AI is a generative AI tool designed to offer precise and comprehensive answers to user queries by leveraging advanced natural language processing. It was founded in 2022. It uses OpenAI's GPT technology to provide accurate and source cited information. It is an additional feature that it provides source citations too. It is particularly useful for academic and professional research, provides detailed and contextually relevant answers with citations. It is easy to navigate for conducting research and understanding complex topics. It supports tasks like code generation, data tabulation, and solving complex mathematical problems. This is the preface of Perplexity AI. There are pros and cons of this model too. Pros are source citations, unlike other tools. Other tools do not provide source citations, but this is specifically a advantage of Perplexity AI. Powerful free versions and paid subscriptions are also available. Ability to create collections to store and organize queries. It has disadvantages too. Some of the responses are repetitive, and Perplexity is vulnerable to any hallucination or other issue, which actually affect the third party LLMs that are interacting with Perplexity. Gemini. Gemini, formerly Bird, is an AI powered chatbot that responds to natural language and image or queries with relevant information. It was designed by Google. It is based on the multimodal conversational system. Multimodal conversational system means the prompts can be in the form of text or images. It can read images and extract information, and it can also produce images. It can process and provide visual images and text both. Prompts can be given in the form of picture or text. There are also pros and cons of this feature, but let's see Gemini's preface. This is how Gemini looks. Gemini is currently free, but it has monthly and yearly subscriptions to pro level. It can access to internet. It can provide incorrect information at some times, and it sometimes struggles with images, long videos, and complex interactions. There are three models of Gemini: Ultra, Pro, and Nano model. Ultra model is the most capable and largest model for highly complex tasks. Pro model is the best model for scaling across a wide range of tasks that we use mostly. And Nano Gemini AI is the most effective model for an on device tasks. Synthesia. Synthesia is a generative AI tool for making videos with artificial intelligence. It lets users make their own scripted prompt based videos. This system then uses its collection of AI characters, voices, and video designs to produce a video that looks and sounds more realistic. There are different features of Synthesia, which are it contains over 125 avatar characters. Pre-built video templates are available to users for making videos more easily. Users can create their own avatar of its own choice. This is Synthesia AI Preface. There are pros and cons of this AI model. Its major benefit is that it has 120 plus languages that are available for video creation. It is a wide range of model. Synthesia is a user-friendly and easily accessible tool, but it has paid subscriptions and user may have some issues in customization sometimes. Dell E2 is actually an image creating tool. It is an AI tool released by OpenAI which uses GPT-3 and deep learning to convert text prompts into images. It can generate images with textual description. It produces more realistic images of the processes. It is a popular tool in the fields of design, art, and multimedia content generation. This is the preface of Generate Dell E2, and a picture is also shown of Dell during the construction process, building construction process. There are pros and cons of Dell. It is integrated with Clip, which enhances its accuracy. It is highly dependent on input prompts. Ambiguous descriptions may lead to less accurate outputs. It is highly dependent on inputs. It gives its users 50 free credits in the first month and then 15 in the subsequent months. But for more credits, you need to have subscriptions that are paid. Quillbot. Quillbot is an AI assistant that uses natural language processes to paraphrase a piece of text. It is actually a paraphrasing tool. Users can choose between paraphrasing text, summarizing written content, checking grammar, and generating citations based on their needs. This is the preface of Quillbot. User can choose which prompts he want to do. Pros and cons of this model are there is no need to sign up. Free plan is available and in case of payment there is a refund policy. Both free and paid plans have character limitations in place. Content summarization and language translations are also free. Additionally, there is a free grammar checker. It is actually a good tool for writing content. Now, there is Voicify AI. Voicify AI is an online platform that allows users to create high quality artificial intelligence voice clones called models. These models can be used to generate audio in the voice of celebrities, fictional characters, or even of your own choice or voice. There are different features of Voicify AI. Voicify features a massive library of AI voices across a number of categories like music, cartoons, gaming, public figures, and more. There are even voices for different languages like German, Korean, French, Italian, etc. etc. Users simply need to type in the text and Voicify AI will convert it into natural sounding speech audio. The audio clips can be downloaded as the MP3 files. This is the Voicify AI preface. You can create AI voices in cartoon languages and different public figures or model for your own choice. It has pros and cons. Major advantage is that it has over 800 models to convert users' voice into AI models. Text prompts are converted into custom voice models. You can literally write a text and it will give you an audio output. It can blend multiple voices together in custom proportion of your own choice. It has disadvantages too. It is not available free, rather, it is a paid model. It is reliant on internet connectivity. Claude. Claude is the new AI chatbot helper and content creator. It looks like ChatGPT, but it emphasizes secure interaction and adaptable speech patterns. It has different features. It is developed by Anthropic, which cost more than $5 billion at present. It relies on constitutional AI approach. A backend API is available for developers, which means developers can access and integrate the model functionality through application programming interface, that is API. This is the Claude preface. It has different a number of advantages and disadvantages as well. It have a large context window than open AI models. It is different from that, but it looks like ChatGPT. Claude now include prompts from red teams to avoid creating harmful content. Disadvantages: it has no free version available, all the versions are paid. Claude can occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information. GitHub Copilot is an AI powered code completion or code generation tool. It was developed by GitHub in collaboration with OpenAI. It is built on GPT, but it is specifically fine tuned for coding tasks. As we learn in large language models, that the models are fine tuned. So it is specifically fine tuned on coding tasks. It supports a variety of programming languages that makes it versatile for different type of projects. Developers can use it to speed up coding, learning new coding techniques, and improving productivity. This is GitHub Copilot Preface. It has a number of advantages. It speeds up coding process by providing intelligent code suggestions and completions. It understands the context of users' code and comments, providing more relevant and accurate suggestions. And it also supports a diverse variety of languages, making it versatile network. It has a number of disadvantages too. It has cons, it requires internet connection, and it is paid. Using generative code without thorough review could introduce vulnerabilities or unintentional dependencies. There is a risk that developers may over rely reliant on on Copilot, potentially hindering their own coding skills development. Now moving to the role of generative AI and LLMs in industrial manufacturing process. There are a lot of benefits of generative AI and LLMs in industrial manufacturing process, including enhanced productivity and efficiency, smart savings, data-driven decision making, improved product quality. We will discuss all of them one by one. Number one is predictive maintenance. LLMs analyze extensive sensor data to predict maintenance needs, identifying patterns and anomalies to prevent unexpected breakdowns and optimize maintenance schedules. This approach reduces downtime and operational cost too. Number 2, quality control and inspection. Manufacturers uses LLMs to improve product quality by analyzing images and sensor data to detect defects early in the production process, minimizing waste and ensuring consistent product standards. Is supply chain optimization. LLMs optimize supply chain operations by forecasting demands, managing inventory efficiently, and optimizing logistics decisions based on comprehensive data analytics, that is, big data analysis, enhancing overall supply and chain efficiency. Number 4 is human machine interaction. Advanced conversational AI systems powered by LLMs support workers by providing real time assistance. Chatbots are provided assistance, answering queries, and guiding them through complex tasks, thereby enhancing productivity and reducing errors. This is how predictive maintenance is done. Industrial automation works like this. Number 5 is design and prototyping. Generative AI model assists in designing and prototyping by generating new ideas, optimizing designs, and simulating manufacturing processes, accelerating innovation cycles, and speeding up time to market. Number 6 is process automation. The process is robotics made and is automated with least human intervention. LLMs automate routine tasks such as documentation, reporting, and compliance check, freeing up employees to focus on strategic activities and improving operational efficiency. This is how automation works in intelligent manufacturing techniques in automobile industry. Number 7 is energy management. By analyzing energy consumption data, LLM suggests ways to optimize energy uses in manufacturing, reducing costs and supporting sustainability efforts by minimizing environmental impact. Number 8 and last one is decision support system. LLMs enhance decision making by analyzing real time data and generating actionable insights, helping managers optimize production schedules, allocate resources effectively, and improve overall operational efficiency. These are different generative AI applications that we have discussed earlier: image generation and manipulation, software encoding, video creation, audio creation, text generation and summarization, organizational collaboration. That was all about generative AI and LLM.